Hey Nick, what are you working on?
Oh, hey. Stoic pendant.
Is it gonna go on the website?
Eventually. It's been a long work in progress.
Tell us about it.
All right, take a closer look. All right, so if you know about Stoicism, then you know what you're looking at here. The owl is for wisdom. The lion is for courage. This is the hand pouring out the wine for temperance. And these are the scales of justice. Those are the four cardinal virtues in Stoicism. So I've been profoundly influenced by Stoicism, especially meditations by Marcus Aurelius. And these virtues are just the guiding light, like the northern star for how we should operate as human beings every day. You know, we all get stressed, we all get overwhelmed, we all get angry, and shit happens basically. So, you know, it's just good to remember that these are the virtues that we should be striving to live by, and no matter what's happening, you know, it's all going to be okay. Just take a breath. So when you wear this pendant, my hope is that it's a reminder every time, you know, you're in any of these situations, and you can feel the weight of that on your chest, and it's a little bit of a reminder, like, hey, let's take the Stoic approach here.
Awesome. Is it gonna be available in gold and silver?
Solid gold, solid silver. And it's in prototyping right now. As you can see, I'm still finishing up the sculpting. This is kind of cool. The way that this software works, called ZBrush, it's technically a sculpting software. So if you've ever sculpted anything by hand with clay, imagine that in the computer. I don't use my hands, but I use this. And I can go in here and say I want to put a little extra detail in some of the feathers of this owl. Right, so I'll choose my brush, and I can just go here and add some extra detail. You see how that works? Oops, I flipped it around, but you get the idea. So what we're known for here at Proclamation is our detail, and I hope that you appreciate what we're doing, you know, when you see this, when you wear this in person, how much detail that you are actually getting, which is different than hopefully anything else you've ever seen.
Great. You have some plans for the back?
We always have plans for the back.
Great.
We never leave anything untouched. So I'll leave that a secret for now.
Great. Well, great talking to you.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.